Check out this 2012 Ford F-150. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.